Hey, let me show you how to zoom the Yahoo Mail Text for easy reading. So you can actually do it on the browser you're on. However, there is another option by coming up to the little cog here, then coming down to More Settings. Then you want Writing Email. And you can come down here to Default Rich Text Font. And you can select the different settings here. So you can have it really large. However, this is only on the emails that you're reading. If you want to make everything bigger, so all the text bigger, you will need to zoom actually within the browser. Normally, you can do this if you're using a mouse, using the scroller wheel. However, if you don't have that, you can come up to the top here and press the three little lines. Most browsers are the same and will have a zoom function like that, what you can change from the settings directly on the browser. So hopefully those two options help you out, and don't forget, if they do, smash the like button